Sometimes I remember a story about a little boy who attended St. Francis Primary School in Kingston, Jamaica in the 80s. He was in grade 3 and playing in the schoolyard during break time when a strange man walked up to him and told him to follow him because he had $20 to give him. The little boy agreed to go with the man, so he went to his classroom to retrieve his school bag and lunch kit. Then they were on their way. They walked through the school gate and down the paved path towards the school vendors. As they passed, a vendor who recognized the little boy because she knew his mother called out to him, asking where he was going. The little boy told her that he was following this man to get the $20 that he said he had for him. The school vendor quickly got up from her chair and chased the little boy back into school. The strange man walked quickly towards the main road, turned a corner, and was never seen again. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.